how to withdraw money from the Rips by Triumph app. Once you load up the app, then you will be able to see your balance in the top right corner. Now, if you want to withdraw your money, what you have to do is click on account in the bottom right corner. Now from here, you should see your account info, such as your biggest pool, packs opened, and also you will see the option to withdraw your balance. Once you select that option, it's going to ask for phone number verification. After you verify your phone number, then you will see the available transfer methods. So how do you want to get paid? You have the option of using PayPal, which is going to have a 3% fee or a minimum of $1 processing fee. And it's going to take 1 day to go into your account. Venmo will have, again, the same fees and it's going to be instant. Debit card is also going to have those fees and it's going to be instant. And bank account is going to take 3 to 5 business days. Now, after you have selected your payment method, let's say that you want to use debit card, you will obviously need some funds to withdraw. It's going to ask how much you want to withdraw. You can either do your full balance or a specific amount. You will then provide your debit card info and just click on transfer, and that is how you withdraw money from Rips by Triumph. I hope this video helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.